Okay, so let's just close out the module for this particular one. Right, data cleaning, like I said, data cleaning comes with experience and expertise. You get better by doing it. Things would work, things will not work, and you're like, oh yeah, I think I figured it out. One of the things you need to know just to show about like the visuals is whatever you need to fix, make sure you always click on the right table. And one thing also is you can put your measure anywhere. You can even put all your measure in just one place. It doesn't have to be like, oh, because it's related to the plan data, like the measure has to be there or whatever it is. And one thing I guess I wanted to mention was this visualization pane. You would see that if you scroll on each of them, you would get to understand what this is. This is all of these are bar charts, and you rarely use everything, but a good number you use is going to be this bar chart here. If you want your visual to look horizontal or vertical, you probably use also more of like the donut chart or the pie chart. You would use a lot of the data card. You use a good number of the matrix and also the table. This is where you want to show like your dashboard, like numbers. You would use probably this card new. I rarely use it. Also bottom slicer, because there are two type of slicer. There's this normal slicer and the bottom slicer. So it just depends on which one you want to use. The whole crux of it is that you need to be able to translate requirements like basic step by step into like writing your models or writing like a measure, knowing if it's a column. So sometimes you just got to do the try and error, and as you keep doing it, you like get better at it. So the next module I'm going to be talking about like relationships and some key things you need to know, like star schema, other type of schemas that we have, and what is even a schema. And from there we'll then get right into like the next business question. So what we are doing right now is just the foundation, and I hope so far you've been getting value. I'll see you in the next module. Bye.